You've been told to eat more plants for fiber, but also that animal protein is the king of longevity. This creates the omnivore paradox, a biological tug-of-war that most people are losing. We are decoding how to balance these two conflicting forces to unlock a longer, disease-free life right now. What if the secret to aging slowly isn't choosing between veganism or carnivore, but mastering the intersection of both? High-fiber plants protect your gut, while animal proteins preserve your muscle mass, yet combining them incorrectly can cause inflammation. Today, we reveal the precise formula to balance these nutrients for peak longevity. Stop choosing sides in the diet wars, because your DNA actually demands both. The omnivore paradox proves that sticking to just one food group might be accelerating your aging process. We're diving into the latest nutritional science to show you how to synchronize plant fibers and proteins for optimal health. Quick note: this is educational content only. Talk to a qualified healthcare professional for medical advice. For decades, the world of nutrition has been dominated by a seemingly endless tug-of-war, a binary battle that pits one dietary philosophy against another. On one side, we have staunch advocates for plant-based living, who champion the indispensable role of fiber for our gut microbiome and overall wellness. On the other, compelling arguments for adequate protein, particularly from animal sources, to maintain muscle mass and metabolic health as we age. This has created a confusing landscape, forcing many to feel they must choose a side. But what if this conflict is a false premise? What if the secret to a long, vibrant life lies not in choosing a side, but in skillfully navigating the middle ground? The question is not which is superior, but how to intelligently combine the unique benefits of both for healthy aging. I call this the omnivore's paradox. It's the puzzle. Harness protein's muscle-preserving power while nurturing the complex ecosystem of gut microbes. There's no one-size-fits-all. Your biology, lifestyle, and the dance between food and trillions of bacteria all matter. Inside your large intestine lives a bustling community of bacteria, fungi, and viruses, your gut microbiome. Once seen as passengers, they're now recognized as an essential, almost forgotten organ. They digest what we can't, make vitamins, train immunity, and even influence the brain via the gut-brain axis. Their favorite fuel? Fiber. Complex carbs plants make that reach the colon intact, feeding specific beneficial species. Fermenting fiber creates short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, propionate, and acetate, the superstars of gut health. SCFAs fuel your colon lining, strengthen the barrier, regulate blood sugar, reduce appetite, and dampen inflammation. Studies from Zoe and others connect a diverse, fiber-rich diet to a flourishing microbiome and better health outcomes. Low fiber starves microbes. They may erode your gut's mucus layer, weaken defenses, and lose diversity seen in many chronic conditions. While fiber feeds our internal garden, protein builds, repairs, and maintains every cell, tissue, and organ. After 30, we can lose 3–8% of muscle per decade. Faster after 60, sarcopenia drives frailty, falls, and slower recovery. Defense: regular resistance activity plus adequate protein. With age comes anabolic resistance. Older adults often need more protein per meal and per day to trigger muscle building. ESPEN suggests many healthy older adults aim for about 1.0–1.2 gcal a day. Animal proteins are complete and rich in leucine, the trigger for muscle protein synthesis. Plant proteins vary. Combine legumes and grains for completeness and diversity. Spread protein across the day. 25 to 30 grams per meal beats one giant dinner. Choose leaner sources like fish, poultry, and yogurt over ultra-processed meats and high-fat red meats. Mindful protein, especially as we age, is a critical piece of the longevity puzzle. Certain components in red meat, L-carnitine, and choline-rich foods can be problematic in a low-fiber gut. Gut bacteria convert them to TMA. your liver turns TMA into TMAO. Research from the Cleveland Clinic links chronically elevated TMAO with higher risks of atherosclerosis, heart attacks, and strokes. A fiber-fed, diverse microbiome tends to host fewer TMA-producing bacteria. A steak with salad and lentils creates a very different metabolic event than the same steak with fries. High-temperature charring can form compounds like PAHs and HCAs, potentially carcinogenic and inflammatory. Colorful vegetables and spices add antioxidants that help neutralize some of these compounds. Solution: intelligent combinations and gentler prep turn a potentially inflammatory meal into a balanced, nourishing one. It's not elimination, it's design. Choose types, balance amounts, and always feed your microbes. Move away from rigid rules. Think of your plate as a canvas for nutritional harmony. Focus on 3 pillars: diversity, quality, and synergy. Pillar 1. Plant-first diversity. Crowd half your plate with colorful, non-starchy vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. You'll stack fibers and polyphenols that support a resilient microbiome. Pillar 2. Quality-focused protein. Fish, poultry, eggs, fermented dairy. Red meat as an occasional treat. Lean cuts, gentle cook. Pillar 3. Intentional synergy. Always pair protein with abundant fiber. Example: chicken on a large bed of greens with roasted broccoli and chickpeas. Make bolognese? Load it with carrots, celery, onions, and mushrooms. Serve over whole grain or lentil pasta. Add fermented foods, kimchi, sauerkraut, or a dollop of kefir for probiotics. This pairing buffers potential inflammatory effects and fuels SCFA production. Start small. Breakfast is a leverage point. Try Greek yogurt topped with berries, nuts, and seeds. Or 2-egg scramble with spinach and mushrooms plus whole grain sourdough. At lunch, build a big salad. Greens, peppers, cucumbers, tomatoes, beans. Then add chicken, tuna in olive oil, or crumbled feta. Dress with extra virgin olive oil and lemon. At dinner, let protein be a component, not the centerpiece. Baked salmon with 2 veg sides and quinoa, fricassee, or brown rice mixed with lentils. The era of one-size-fits-all diets is ending. The future of nutrition is personal. Your genes, your microbiome, your lifestyle, and your goals shape your response to food. Think of the fiber-protein balance as a guiding philosophy. Prioritize plant diversity, choose high-quality protein, and create synergy on your plate. It honors traditional diets that blend plants and animals, and aligns with cutting-edge microbiome science. Summary: flood your system with diverse plant fibers. Layer in high-quality protein across the day. Always pair them together to buffer and balance. Become a curious explorer. Notice how combinations make you feel. Experiment with new veg, grains, legumes, fish, and fermented foods. The power to extend your health span is, quite literally, on the end of your fork. What one small, delicious change will you make at your very next meal? If this helped, tap like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more science-based longevity guides. Drop your questions below. Health disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Consult a qualified healthcare professional before making dietary changes.